This is AHA Business Radio, creating aha moments for business, by business, and about business, providing opportunities to discover information to help you run your business and guide your decision making. The more you know, the better decisions you make. Now, here's your host for AHA Business Radio, Allan Hirsh.
How do you protect yourself from once you're in the process of protecting the website? I've asked a question, I think we talked about it before the show, that when you hire a firm to do your website and write the texts and do the artwork and bring everything on board, who really owns that website and how do you protect yourself?
That is probably one of the greatest misunderstandings in intellectual property. Just because you pay for something doesn't mean you own it. If someone develops something for you, whether it's a website, whether it's a brochure, whether photographs, the artist owns the work unless they are your employee or you have a written contract in which the artist assigns the work to you. The example I use is when you get married and a photographer comes and takes pictures of your wedding. Yeah, you pay for the time that the photographer's there, but you then also have to pay for the reprints. The reason you have to pay for the reprints is because you're paying for the right to copy. The photographer owns the right to copy and rarely assigns that right over, just as the website designer owns the website. Now, there's a license implied in the relationship where the hiring party, the person who hires the website designer, the designer and the hiring company understand where the work is going to be used. It's going to be used for the website. So it would be hard to say that the web designer can stop you from using the materials in your website. But if you create a sister company, or if you want to take the photograph and use it in your physical brochure, does the implied license allow you to do that?
And even more so if your web designer is also hosting your website and you have a falling out and you want to move that website to a different host or have another web designer take what you have and redesign it. From what you're saying, you also have a problem because you don't own it. You can't take it and move it to someone else to correct it or change it unless you do, in fact, have the assignment from the original web designer. Is that correct?
That is correct.